Alright, so here is a rather stupid test light that I made in college in 2003. Consists of a small alligator clip. You can use whatever size you want. Whatever size gauge wire, 14, 16, 18. An LED light. There's two prongs, two posts, sorry. One's going to go for the wire, alligator clip side, and the other one's going to go onto a long, not a long, but just a small, what is it, a 5 ohm resistor down to a needle. It's just a basic like prick needle, like a sewing needle. And what you're going to do is you're going to solder everything from the LED post or wire to the diode, solder all the points, and then from the end of the diode, resistor, you're going to solder the threaded needle. This is pretty sharp, so that's why I have a pen cap on, but the housing is just a Papermate purple old school pen. And now you have a working test light. So yeah, this is just a 9-volt battery. It's probably less because it's old. Take the cap off and the light works.